Do you believe in miracles? Well, you will after you hear about this small Central American country where it rains fish. Welcome to our channel, and today we're going to tell you about the day it rained fish in Honduras. It was the 1800s, and people were starting to settle in the small village of Lloro in northern Honduras. Life was peaceful and the people were happy. That is, until one day a torrential downpour struck the village. People ran outside to watch the storm, and that's when they saw it. Thousands of fish were falling from the sky. They were huge, like the size of your hand. The villagers were stunned. They had never seen anything like it before. Some people even thought that the end of days was near. Now you might be thinking this is just a crazy story, but it actually happens every year, and we don't know why. The weird thing is the fish only fall in one small area, and if you go there now, you can still see the fish rain for yourself. It's so amazing. Scientists think they know what's happening. They say that waterspouts are sucking fish out of the nearby rivers and then dropping them into the sky. Then when the waterspout goes away, all the fish come down with it. But the people who live there don't believe that. They think it's a miracle. A local legend says that a giant fish from the depths of the sea opens its mouth and lets out a mighty roar. Then the fish falls to the ground and magically reproduces. That's why when people go to the river to fish, they always catch a big one. So what do you think? Is it a miracle or just a bunch of fish being sucked up by a waterspout? Let us know in the comments. But if you want to hear more crazy stories about nature, we have plenty more where that came from. Just follow Secret History Files for more. And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. Thanks for watching. See you next time.